Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial where I'll show you exactly how to find all your apps and games on Facebook using the new update on PC. If you've ever wondered which third-party apps and games are connected to your Facebook account, you're in the right place. This is especially useful if you want to clean up your connected services or check for anything you no longer use. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Once you're on your homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Click on Settings to enter your main settings page. Now here's where the new update comes in. Instead of going straight to apps and websites, we're going to take a slightly different path through the activity log. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Activity Log. This is your complete history of actions on Facebook. Once you're in the activity log, look for the section called Personal Information. Click on it to expand the options. Next, you'll see Profile Information. Click on that as well. Now scroll down a bit until you find the Apps and Games option. Click on it and Facebook will display a full list of all the apps and games you've connected to your account over time. Here you can see everything from quiz apps to games you've played, along with the dates you connected them. This is also where you can manage or remove any apps or games you no longer want connected to your Facebook account. Just click on the app or game you want to manage and follow the prompts to remove access, and that's it. You now know exactly how to find all your apps and games on Facebook using the new update on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.